What's up YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we are going to be doing some latte art for you guys at home. And the fun part about the video is we're going to be doing latte art in different cups to see, do cups really matter when pouring latte art? Now, a brief disclaimer here, I am not that great at latte art. However, practice makes perfect. Sometimes, I may mess up on a really good cup, like the not neutral cups that I'm going to be using that I believe are best suited for latte art and for espresso in general. However, I may mess that one up and do really good in another one. Now, is this experiment something that you should take to heart and say, hey, this cup is way better because you did better latte art in this cup? No. However, I am going to be giving you my personal preferences on the cups that I use when I do latte art. So, without further ado, let's get to pulling the shots and making some great latte art. Let's go. Roll the intro. What's up, guys? So as you just saw, I just did latte art in both the not neutral cup and the cup that we picked up from our local store here in town. By the way, it says best wife ever. So definitely love this mug. However, I am going to show you guys the results here and just let me know kind of what you think. So here are the two results of the latte art. Obviously, I'm not 100% the best at latte art. However, one thing that I found that was a struggle when using the other cup that I bought from our store is it was hard to get the jug to kind of pour into the milk. So it was really deep inside the cup, as opposed to the not neutral cup where here's the smaller version of it. It's inside of here, it's rounded. So it doesn't have any harsh corner. So in a regular cup, it comes down, harsh corner, and straight across. Now in not neutral cups, and I know Acme cups in as well, but not neutral cups, the ones that I have, I'll show you guys here. I am not sponsored by them. However, I do love their cups. And I believe baristas are the ones who engineered and designed these cups as well. So with these cups, it comes down, as you can see, and then it goes straight across, but the inside has like a double layer almost, to where it comes as a U. So it constantly just flows through the cup. So, and it's really easy that because it has a small base and it goes up kind of at an angle, and it opens it up all the way around the width of the cup. It makes it a lot easier to hold this cup and go ahead and pour your design into the crema and also the espresso shot. And it just makes for a better tasting shot, in my opinion. It might all be in my head because I just love the cups. However, latte art is already frustrating enough, and if you can have any edge on latte art and just make it a little bit easier for you guys at home, definitely recommend purchasing some of these not neutral cups. They are absolutely fantastic. They come in, I believe, 3 different sizes: 6 ounce, an 8 ounce, and a 12 ounce, I believe. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments down below. However, like I said, I am not sponsored by this company. I just absolutely love these cups. And today's coffee that I used was India Monsoon Malabar. I might be saying this wrong, but it is by Good Brothers Coffee. They are micro roasters out of Holland, Michigan. They are absolutely amazing. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead and try some of these beans. They have all different kinds of variety of beans to try from, huge selection. And I just want to say thank you again for sending me these beans. I absolutely love them. And if you guys use code Dylan at checkout, it'll save you guys 20% off. It is absolutely incredible. Make sure to go check them out. So if you guys are looking into getting into latte art, I would definitely recommend that you guys buy the proper cups to help you, so that way that variable is out of the way and you have a better chance to pour that perfect latte art down the road. Like I said, it's already difficult enough. I only pulled 2 shots today, so that shot that I pulled actually was a little bit fast. Definitely have to dial that in a little bit more. However, right now I am on grind setting number 1 on the outside, and then the inner burr I'm at 6. So I am going to be dialing this in a bit further. I will definitely show you guys the process of it in another video. However, I do have to take this bean hopper off, vacuum it out, and then kind of change it up, because I was at 17 grams. I could put it to 18 grams to try to get this flow to slow down just a little bit more, but I think especially with fresher roasted coffees, it's going to be a lot harder to dial it in at the current settings that I'm at right now, with the internal burr being set at number 6, which is set like that from factory from Breville. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I appreciate your love and support for my channel. I could not do any of this, and none of this would be possible without the help and love and support from each one of you guys at home, and I am truly thankful for that, and so is my family. On behalf of Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, if you guys can hit that like and subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos, I would truly appreciate it. And as always, Dylan with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar. Peace.